Welcome to the comprehensive beginner's guide to Microsoft Word. In this course, we are here to demystify Microsoft Word, one of the most widely used word processing applications in the world. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone just starting out with computers, mastering Word will greatly enhance your ability to create professional-looking documents efficiently. Let's start with the basics. Microsoft Word is like a digital canvas where you can create, edit, and format documents of various types, including letters, resumes, reports, essays, and more. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite, but you can also use it as a standalone application. Now let's take a tour of the Word interface. When you first open Word, you'll see a collection of tools and menus laid out neatly across the top of the screen. This is called the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into tabs, each containing groups of related tools. For example, the Home tab contains tools for formatting text, while the Insert tab contains tools for adding different elements to your document, such as pictures, tables, and shapes. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll find the Quick Access ToolBar. This toolbar gives you quick access to commonly used commands such as saving your document or undoing your last action. You can customize this toolbar to add or remove commands based on your preferences. The main area of the screen is called the Document area. This is where you'll do most of your work, whether it is typing text, formatting paragraphs, or adding images. You can also switch between different views of your document, such as print layout up here, full screen reading up here, and web layout, depending on your needs. Now that you have a basic understanding of the Word interface, let's move on to our next lesson, where we'll learn how to create and edit documents.